solving riddles. I will be reading out the clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. For an opportunity to solve the riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, St. Peter's? Thank you. Yours, Presbyterian Boys. Thank you. And yours, Chemu. Thank you. When you ring, the answer must be ready. I will not wait for you to compose an answer at that time. All right? Best wishes, everyone. 4 riddles. First one. I am a particle. I am emitted in certain nuclear decay processes. I am electrically neutral. I am nearly massless. Yes. Nesco?
Neutrino.
That's incorrect. I continue. If I am the neutral particle emitted in a nuclear decay by beta plus emission. Yes, Joel.
You are the electron neutrino.
Yes. I read all the clues, 3 points. Next one. I am a law of mathematics and physics. I involve vectors in a plane. I am used to represent geometrically the sum of 2 vectors. The vectors are represented by the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Yes, Nathaniel.
Parallelogram law of vectors.
Yes. They solved the riddle on the 4th clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a structural presentation of a molecule or complex ion. Like an accountant, I take stock of all valence electrons of the atoms. I do not compromise on the octet rule. Yes, Nathaniel?
The Lewis symbol representation of a molecule. Or Lewis, that is the Lewis dot structure.
You can only give one answer. Go ahead.
You are the Lewis dot electron structure.
I'm not accepting it. So I'm going on. I owe my invention to an American scientist whose first and middle names are Gilbert and Newton, respectively. In my formulation, I do represent linkages between atoms by either a dash or a pair of dots. So who am I? Nesco?
Lewis dot structure.
I was being very, very careful with what I wanted to accept. That's why I won't accept that one either. The formal name of it is called the Lewis electron dot formula. Or, what did you call it?
I said, which one was it?
You. Nesco. What did you say? Lewis dot structure. Okay, I'll accept that one. Yeah. Okay. All right. Last one. Yeah. Lewis electron dot formula, Lewis structure, or Lewis dot structure. All right. Next one. We are a group of seed-producing plants. Our seeds contain endosperm that stores food for the growth and development of the plant. We lack stigma, hence we are pollinated directly by the wind. Though we have vascular tissues which help in the transportation of nutrients and water, our xylem does not have vessels, and our phloem has no companion cells. Yes. Nesco.
So I have ginkgos. Ginkgos.
No. I continue. And our phloem has no companion cells and sieve tubes. Fossil evidence suggests that we originated during the Paleozoic era, about 390 million years ago. Our name comes from the composite word in Greek, which literally means naked. Yes, Joel?
Gymnosperms.
Yes. Is for you to solve riddles. I will be reading out the clues. When you are ready to solve the riddle, kindly alert me by ringing your bell. May I hear your bell, Tamale? Thank you. Keta. Thank you. And Wesley girls. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. When you ring, that answer must be ready. That's not the time for me to wait for you to compose an answer. I will be impatient. All right? Best wishes, everyone. There are 4 riddles. First one. I could be regarded as a charge, real or imaginary. I am usually quantified in very familiar units. You cannot guess what or who I am from my synonyms because ordinarily they are not close in meaning. In group 1 compounds, I have a steady number of unity. My sum in a neutral compound is always 0. So who am I? Yes, Lutrot.
Oxidation number.
Yes. Next one. I am a natural aging biological process which occurs in terrestrial, freshwater, and marine ecosystems. I am historically used in reference to the natural aging of lakes, Although I am commonly used caused by human activities, I can also be a natural process, particularly in lakes. Yes, Lutrot.
Eutrophication.
You are right. They solved the riddle. They solved the riddle on the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a particle. I am emitted in a particular nuclear decay process. Yes, Alexandra?
Beta particle. Beta.
No. I am a spin zero charged particle. My name suggests I am the first of sorts. Yes, Bright.
Alpha particle.
Yes. They solved the riddle on the fourth clue, 3 points. Last one. I am a 3-digit odd number. My third digit is a square. My second digit is a unique prime. The sum of my first 2 digits is my third digit. Yes, Abukari.
729.
You are right. They saw the riddle on the fourth clue, 3 points, and that's the end of the 5th round. This is a reward for a school that solves 3 riddles or 4 riddles. If you solve 3 riddles, you get 2,000 Ghana cedis for your team. If you solve all 4 riddles, you will get 2,400 Ghana cedis for your team. Obviously, there are 4 riddles. Now, the objective is to solve the riddle. I will be reading out the clues. When you are ready to solve a riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, KNUST? Thank you. You're also Pokuare. Thank you, and yours, Prempeh College. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. Best wishes, everyone. First riddle. I am a fully saturated hydrocarbon. I have a total of 8 carbons in my molecule. I can never be optically active because my molecule has a plane of symmetry. The longest chain in my molecule consists of 4 carbons, and there are several ways of accounting for such chains. 2 carbons in my molecule are without hydrogen atoms. So who am I? Yes. Eden.
You have 2, 2, 3, 3, tetra, methyl, butane.
You are right. Next one. I am a comparatively modern technique, having become an effective technique in pest control only since about 1890. However, there are antecedent historical events without which my discovery and conceptualization would have been much delayed. I am based on the knowledge of inharmonious or negative ecological interactions between species. I present the advantage of substituting the use of pesticides.
Biological control method. Biological control method.
All right. Three points. Next one. I am a statement. With me, the value is always the same. Yes, go ahead.
Tautology.
You are right. Last one. I am a physical quantity. Okay, go ahead, please. You rang me. Go.
Shares modulus.
Pardon?
Shares modulus.
No. I continue. I continue. I am frequently encountered in the study of dynamics. I'm a conserved quantity. I permeate the whole of the universe. I can be transformed into matter, and matter can be transformed into me. Yes.
Energy.
You are right.